Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about to find the 8.DFT sequence x of n equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 0, 0 by using the radix to did f of t algorithm. Did nothing but decimation time f of t nothing but cost Fourier transform. So here input x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 1. This is x of 4 is bit reversal of x of 1, x of 2 bit reversal equal to x of 2. For x of 3 bit reverse equal to x of 6, x of 1 bit reverse equal to x of 4, x of 5 bit reverse equal to x of 5, x of 3 bit reverse equal to x of 6, x of 7 equal to x of 7. So we know that value x of 0 equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 0, 0 equal to x of 1. The first value x of 1, okay, x of 1, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. Then 1 by 2 equal to 0.5, x of 4 equal to 0, x of 2 equal to 0.5, x of 6 equal to 0, x of 1 equal to 0.5, x of 5 equal to 0, x of 3 equal to 0.5, x of 7 equal to 0. This is for general perturbable search bar using decimation in time f of t algorithm. Okay. So always bottom value is minus 1, that value equal to minus 1, for third one equal to minus 1, third one equal to minus 1. Here W equal 0, W equal 2, W equal 1, W equal 3 is called as dual factor. So W equal 0 value 1, that here also 1, third also 1, 4 also 1 here. Similarly, W equal 0 equal to 1, W equal to minus j. Likewise, substitute here, W equal 0 equal to 1, W equal 1 equal to 0.707 minus j 0.707. W equal 2 equal minus j. W equal 3 equal to minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So we need answer here. So we need for that particular value 1. So we need for that value mean that we are at this value here. That value equal to 0.5. That value equal to 0. So 0.5 plus 0 equal to 0.5 there. For in this one, this is given the 0.5. This is given the 0. So 0.5 plus 0 equal to 0.5 there. Similarly here, x up to 0.5, 0.5 plus 0 equal to 0.5 there. We need for in this value, so 0.5 minus 0 into 1, so we get only equal to 0.5 there. So we need for that value here, that value equal to 0.5, that value equal to 0, so 0.5 plus 0 equal to 0.5 there. For in this one, we need for in this value, so this is on the 0.5, this is on the 0, so 0.5 plus 0 equal to 0.5. We need for that value here, just addition only. X of 3 equal to 0.5, x of 7 equal to 0, so 0.5 plus 0 equal to 0.5. So we need for in this way 0.5 plus 0 equal to 0.5 that. This is for first one answer. First one 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 that. So we get the answer here. Next one we get the answer for in this one. In this one. So we need for top value here. So value equal to for in this one 0.5, okay, 0.5 plus 0.5 there. So 0.5 plus 1 equal to 1. We for that value here 0.5, here also 0.5. 0.5. So 0.5 into minus j. 0.5 into minus j. So minus 0.5 j. So we get the value equal to 0.5 minus j 0.5 there. For in this value, here is a 0.5, here 0.5 into 1, so 0.5 minus 0.5, 0.5 minus 0.5, that value equal to 0. We need for that value here also 0.5, here 0.5, into minus j into minus 1. Okay. So once I told that 0.5 into minus j into minus 1. So we get the answer j 0.5. So 0.5 plus j 0.5 equal to 0.5 plus j 0.5 there. Similarly, we find out in bottom one. So we need for that parameter. This is on the 0.5. This is on the 0.5. So 0.5 plus 1 equal to 0.1 there. For in this one, 0.5. So 0.5 into minus j. So minus 0.5 j. So we get the answer equal to 0.5 minus j 0.5 there. But in this one, we add this one 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 0.5. So 0.5 minus 0.5 equal to that value equal to 0. Just addition only. So next one we need for that value here. Here 0.5. So 0.5 into minus j into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus j plus j. So plus j into 0.5, 0.5 j. So we get answer equal 0.5 plus j 0.5 there. Similarly, we find last one we find x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. So we got this one. We need for x of 0 meter. So output of the previous one equal to 1. Here also 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 there. For in this one, 0.5 minus j 0.5. For in this one, 0.5 minus j 0.5. That value equal to W for 1 equal to value is 0.707 minus j 0.707. So we multiply this one here, multiply this 0.5 minus j 0.5. So we add this one, we get answer equal to x of 1 equal to 0.5 minus j 1.207. Similarly, when to x of 2. So this value 0, this value equal to 0. Okay. This value also 0. So 0 plus 0 equal to 0 here. Equal to 0 here. So we need for that value here. Here also 0.5 plus j 0.5. So that value equal to 0.5 plus j 0.5 into minus j 0. Minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So multiply with 2 area 0.5 plus j 0.5 into minus 0.707 minus j 7.07. So we get answer equal to x of 3 equal to 0.5 minus j 0.207. Okay. Similarly, find the x of 4. X of 4 equal to, so 1 here 1 minus 1 equal to 0. We need for that value here equal to 0.5 minus j 0.5 plus 0.5 minus j 0.5 into 0.707 minus j 0.707 into minus 1. So we get the answer x of 5 equal to 0.5 plus j 0.207. So here we need for x of 6. Here also 0. Here also 0. Anything multiple with 0, we get the 0, 1. So x of 6 equal to 0. For x of 7. So that will equal to 0.5 plus j 0.5. That will equal to 0.5 plus j 0.5 into minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. So multiply with minus 1, we get the x of 7 equal to 0.5 plus j 2007. So after finding the output of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, we added x of k equal to output equal to first one will equal to x of 0, second one equal to x of 1, third one will equal to x of 2, likewise x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7, substitute, we get the answer here. So how will we find out the answer? How will we find out the answer here? So answer is here, see the x of 3 and x of 5. Okay, x of 3 equal to 0.207. So x of 5 go to 0.5. Here minus means that here also plus. X of 3 and x of 5 there. Similarly, x of 7 into x of 1. X of 1 equal to 0.5 minus j 1.207. So 1 and 7 conjugate will be different. Conjugate will be different. So here, so 1 and 7. Similarly here x of 2 equal to 0, x of 4 equal to 0. So always 1 and 7 conjugatively different, and also 3 and 5. Okay, conjugatively will be different. Like this, we are going to check it the answer here. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Pa. Thank you.